If you love to read web articles using Safari on your iPhone, chances are pretty high that you like to enable bold text in the browser. It will enhance legibility and play a vital role in improving your reading experience. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first up, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Now select Accessibility. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Per App Settings. Now tap on the Add App option and then choose Safari from the list of apps. After that, tap on Safari. Then tap on Bold Text option and finally select the On option and you are all set. The change will come into effect right away and make all the text in Safari bold, and hence it will be more convenient for your eyes to read articles or text. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone and iPad tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time.